What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Gus and this is Calirebuildables. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm in the Jeep and we're gonna be headed out to my brother's house because today we are gonna get the car painted. Hopefully it's not that windy. So I mean, it is what it is. We're trying to stay indoors here in California, at least in this county, because of the COVID-19. Either way, try to stay safe and let's try to get this car painted. Okay guys, one more thing that I forgot to mention is that I removed that chrome trim and I'm trying to get rid of all these glue, and this thing is causing me problems, so I don't know how to get rid of it. I've been hitting it with the blade because I don't care if I scratch it, I'm gonna sand it down, but this thing's a pain, so most likely I'm gonna keep on doing it the way I'm doing with my thumb, and just this last piece I'll just sand it down. But yeah, because I don't want that there. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is so I can put the SRT6 emblem right there. Okay, so I added some Bondo there, waiting for that to dry out, and this is finally gone. I used the sander on it. As you see, I oversprayed right there and it's running, but I'm gonna let that dry, hit it with the sanding block to even everything out, and we should be okay. It took a bit longer with the sander, but it was a lot easier. I was using my thumb, and well, check that out. So I mean, it is what it is. I still got this side, but I want to find a different way to do it. You know, I already messed up one thumb. I don't know if you guys could see it there. I don't want to mess another one, so we'll see. It's getting there. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, I'm over at my house, on my brother's house, and I removed the bumper already. You can see the bumper back there. So now I'm gonna remove the rear bumper because I'm gonna add some fiberglass from behind it and add a little more Bondo down there because I still have a little crack that needs to be filled. Besides that, I'm gonna recover all that with paper and masking tape, remove the tail lights on both sides, and rinse it down. Well, not rinse it down, just rub it down with some alcohol just to make sure everything's clean, and start spraying it. So that's the plan. I'll get so I have the bumper right here, and this is the back section. As you can see right now, this screw and that screw is the one holding it together, besides the fiberglass from the outside, but I'm gonna add more fiberglass all on the inside just to make it stronger. As you can see on this side, this bolt's the one holding it. There's nothing else besides that and the fiberglass. So everything's fiberglass, so more fiberglass won't hurt it. It'll just make it stronger. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
purchase of Avalon 90 using promo code 1025.
Okay, so we got the side moldings on, rear bumpers on. That thing's drying down there. I did add some polyurethane to, you know, to have a little bit of grip on the actual panel, just to make sure it sticks pretty good. Now I'm still missing the front ones. If any of you guys have a place where I could buy the front ones, you know, pretty cheap, because they are pretty expensive, let me know in the comment section. Also, well, the tail lights are off. I'm gonna continue doing those fender flares on the other side, but the rocker panel is on. I still gotta find a way to make it stick, because I did break all the little tabs that go on the bottom. Not the tabs, the little clips that go in there, so I don't have them no more. So I'm gonna have to go buy some new ones. But for now, it's holding and looking better, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Guys, so we are done with the paint. You know, the car is completely painted. I'm still missing some places like the hood and stuff like that, but since I'm still kind of stuck on should I do the scoop or not, I'm kind of staying away from the hood for now. But the rest of the car is painted, clear. I'm waiting for the clear to dry so I could go ahead and wet sand it and buff it. There's some spots that, you know, the clear ran on me, but you'll see that in a bit, so let's go check it out. Okay guys, as you can see right here, the clear is sprayed and it's looking good. I kind of like this color better than the original one. The other one was kind of more whiter, and this one looks more of a creamy color, like a pearl but without the pearls. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but check it out. I kind of like this color better. It's more milky, like I said. The front bumper is off because I am working on the front fog lights and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, the fog lights and the daytime running lights are expensive, so I'm trying to figure out a way to save some money. This side is already painted also. I don't like the gap you see in the bottom on the fender, the door, so I'm gonna try to find a way to make that gap you know, tighter, but we'll see. Okay guys, so what's next on the Jeep? Well, like I said, I am working on the front bumper. I've been looking for the fog lights and the daytime running lights for a while, and they are pretty expensive. So if that's something you want to do, I've been asking Instagram that, you know, what's needed. I guess a couple of you guys want to do the same thing with your guys' Jeeps, and asking me about the parts. Do they fit? Do they don't fit? And honestly, for the 2012 Jeep, if you get the parts for the SRT, they fit perfectly. I mean, I haven't had an issue that I had to modify anything besides nothing. You know, maybe if you go 2014 and up, maybe you have to modify some stuff, which I doubt. The exhaust was perfectly, you know, all the hangers, everything was like made, was like if it was made for this car, when it's not. And all the bumpers, all the side moldings, everything fits perfect. The headlights, like I said, but the fog lights are the expensive ones. I've been looking for them and they're like $700, so If that's something that you're stuck on or you might want to do, check out my next video. I'm working on it. I'm also going to be working on the taillights, like I said. So stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give it a thumbs up, a thumbs down. And that's pretty much it, guys. Stay safe and see you guys in the next one.